Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change notification position in Screen Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to change notification position in Screen Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To change notification position in screen, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Notification and Activity menu. Now here in the Notification and Activity menu there are several menu options. Tap the Display menu. Now here several options will appear. In the Position on the Screen menu, there are 4 notification position options. You can choose one according to your wishes. So that's it, tutorial how to change notification position in Screen Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.